Welcome back to Limitless Profit, the best signal reviews anywhere, hands down. Let's jump right into it. WillssFX. Okay, I just did TJFX video. This one is a different chart. So if you go to the watch list here, I had all the TJFX trades marked up over here on this chart, and then come down here, boom. This chart is going to be dedicated to WillssFX. Okay, so pretty cool trading view. I like it. So here we go. I'm going to do the same setup. We're on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, I'm zoomed all the way out for you guys so you can see kind of, market opened was the 7th for this week, which was right here. So really on the screen you've got maybe 3 or 4 weeks of data. That's plenty for, kind of what we're doing. We're day traders here. So I'm going to go ahead and mark up the trend lines just like I did for TJFX. This is just kind of how I like to do it, just to give me an idea of what's going on. So we're just going to slap some sloppy trend lines on like that, and then we're going to go ahead and throw on a trend line here, which obviously this one wouldn't have been here until a few of these candles happened, but that's how we look. So maybe right here we wouldn't have had a trend line established, but maybe right here, once you had this huge impulse, we would have established a trend line between these points. That way you could trade this point here. So that's kind of how I like to do it. Sometimes I put the top on there. I just clone the line. Once you get a good line like I did here, you have a good resistance line there. You just clone it. So if you're in a downtrend, you clone the upper line. If you're in an uptrend, you would clone the bottom line like this. You always clone the line that's more established. So, it could look something like that. But we're going to take that off there because it doesn't matter. I mean, maybe for your take profit, the upper line would matter, but you don't trade down in an uptrend. I mean, I don't, but just a little quick note there on why I like the trend lines. All right, so let's go here. Let's zoom into the 1 minute time frame like we did for TJFX reviews. Make sure to check that one out. And then we have Lambo roll coming up soon. So, all right, so this is just going to be, I'm just going to jump right to the trades. The market open was somewhere back in here where my cursor is, and then the first trade was sent on the 9th at what time is this? 12:23 a.m. So just after London open, he sent this signal here, and we got in. Let's see. I'm going to go to his actual Telegram page. Let's see. The signal was sent at 12:25 a.m. Okay, so your entry was 18.25. That's what we got right in there. Your stop loss was 30 pips, and then your take profit would have been 18.03, which was way down here. So we ended up losing 30 pips here, but we risked 1% on this trade. We got stopped out. All right, moving on to the next one. Okay, nothing in here. Huge impulse going up, and I almost traded this. All right, I'm new to gold this week. To be completely honest, it's kind of the same theory, right? But I don't know how gold moves. So this huge impulse, I definitely wanted to jump in and get some of this, but I just didn't trust myself. Never, everyone says how volatile gold is and how you could make a fortune or lose a fortune real quick. So, I'm kind of being patient with it. I'm making plenty of money doing, I mean, not plenty of money, but, I'm making out all right with just doing the currency pairs. So I still don't got the guru mansion, but hey, give me a couple weeks. So second trade came, boom, right here. Okay, 1863.90 was the entry. 1863.90. The stop loss was 1866.11, which was right here. And then your take profit would have been 1856. 45 right down here. I'm reading his exact signal from Telegram. This is his gold signal service. It's very comparable to TJFX's price wise. WillssFX is a little bit more expensive, but I'll talk about that here in 1 second. It's not as busy. If you go back and watch TGFX video, he sent, I don't know, maybe 7 or 8 trades. I didn't even count them, honestly, but last week. So a few break evens, a few losses, a few winners, but there's differences in the style of what they trade. But this one hit take profit. I think he said actually to close the trade out. Let's go down here. Oh no, it hit full take profit. He didn't modify this trade at all. I just didn't drag this over far enough. So there we go. Boom. Boom. Hit full take profit. How many pips was that? Apparently it was 3.5 risk to reward ratio. So you risk 1%. You got out with 3.5% profit minus the L that we took back here. You guys know where that is. I'm not going to scroll all the way back and take up your time. So the loss that we took previously on the week, so that puts us 2.5% on the week. Okay, that's all the signals he sent. He's going for, I don't know what he's going for, but quality over quantity, I suppose. And, I know that WillssFX, okay, I think he's a young guy. I think in his Instagram, he's like 18, 20, something like that. Let me check it out. But, he's got a lot going on for sure. And so to charge somebody for, signals for 1 week and then you get them into profit about 2.5%, I mean, really, what more could people want? I know that obviously the goal is to hit 10% in 30 days if you're doing like an FTMO challenge or something. But I mean, if I'm paying for his signals and I catch out, if I already have an FTMO account and I'm up 2.5% on the week, I mean, that's like $5 grand. So just from 2 signals. This is really like super part-time what he's got going on here. Super part-time. And they were both sent into London session, maybe the beginning of New York session. So he really, focuses his area. And so that's a few hours a day, essentially, is what he's doing. So yeah, keep up the good work. I don't typically know how many percentages he pulls in a weekly basis. If you guys are a part of WillssFX, make sure to join in on the comment section. Let me know what he's got going on, because I literally, out of 160 subscribers that he has to his gold channel, I haven't backlogged any data on him. I just purchased him because you guys keep saying, hey, hit him up, hit him up. And I thought it'd be actually a good comparison against TJFX. Just not like head-to-head versus battle type stuff, but just to see the styles and how they trade. I don't know how gold moves. I don't trade gold. So now that I have an FTMO, well, I'm super close to having an FTMO. I'm up like 8%. So what am I saying here? I'm going to be trading gold, hopefully. I've never had the capital. I've never had the broker to allow me to trade gold. So I thought it'd be cool, since you guys keep saying, hey, hit up these gold signal providers. Basically, I could learn off of their signals, kind of see these huge impulsive moves. Boom. I mean, we're on a 15-minute time frame. So just in, what is this, like maybe 10 candles. So we have huge moves here. And this is like 1 candle we had such a huge move. And, I just don't know. I don't know how gold moves. So hopefully they can help me out here. All right, so that's all I got for you guys. So let's see. Here we got this is what his signals look like. Boom. And then TJFX, just to do something real quick. Boom. So they were kind of trading similar areas here just before this huge move, and then WillssFX got out right here for his last trade in profit, and then TJ kept going along and caught a winner, caught a couple small losers, and yeah, so a little comparison. I think that's cool, and that's all I got. I'm gonna mark up Lambo Raul for you guys right now, and then I'll hopefully do that video maybe late tonight. and get that out for you maybe early tomorrow morning. That way you guys can watch all these pre-market open, and then decide. I'm not promoting any of these signal providers. All right, I'm just doing reviews on them. None of the previous price action can predict the future. That's exactly right with signals. No past signals can predict their future signals. So everything's a play-by-play on the week. So I know that my last video I did some huge profits, and that's not guaranteed. Just like if other signal providers like Nina FX, I did a review kind of on her, and I really do like her, but I don't think she shined through on that week, or that month rather. So we're gonna start doing markups like this. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a like, for that YouTube algorithm. Newly full-time Forex trader, full-time YouTuber, so that's really gonna help me out until I find that Forex guru money. Any help you guys could do by showing your support, I really appreciate it. So that's all I got. Until the next time, Lambo Rose videos coming tonight, I hope. So until then, you guys aren't going to be trading, but if I don't talk to you, I wish everyone limitless profit.